Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the mirror moves TikTok, and this is like a new trend on TikTok. It's when you get your phone and it looks like you're going to the other side of the mirror. I'll give you a little preview right here. Yeah, so this video is like quite easy to do. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep watching. And also, sorry that I haven't like uploaded in quite a while. It's because I've had like builders in the house, so I couldn't really upload because it was like really noisy and stuff. So I'll try and upload a bit more. It'll probably be like another couple weeks. So then I'll be a bit more active. So yeah, and also if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed and also turn on my post notifications. So just click the little bell icon and then also just send a screenshot on my Instagram that you've done it. And then I'll pick someone like every week to do a duet with. So yeah, you'll probably get a duet, but make sure you send proof on my Instagram. My Instagram is MiniKrish, so just send it on there. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to download 3 apps. So you will need, the first app you'll need is called Video Leap. These are all free, by the way, so you don't have to pay anything. So Video Leap, iMovie, and then obviously TikTok, because yeah, you need to upload it on there. So those are just all the 3 apps you need. The iMovie app just comes with your iPhone, so you probably have it already. Okay, so now what you want to do is just go to a place that has like a big mirror in it. So in my room I have this mirror, but like that's quite skinny, so I need like a wider one. So I'm just gonna move to a bigger mirror. Okay, so once you've got a mirror, this is the mirror I'm gonna use. Go on to TikTok, and then what you wanna do is basically go right to the edge of the mirror. And basically it needs to be so like your face, when you like move the camera, you need to have your face in the camera, so kind of angle it like that. It can't be like that, it needs to be like that. Yeah, let's do that. So once you've filmed that, what you want to do is you want to save it, and then just press the tick, and then press next, and then you want to screen record that. So just screen record it. I'm already on screen record, so that's it. And then once you screen record it, just stop the screen record, and then now we're gonna start editing it. So that's the only thing you need to record. So you've done all your video thingy, what you want to do is go on to Video Leap, which is what you have to get, and then you want to press the plus thing, and then you want to pick your video. So I've got my video here. So once you put that clip in, you want to put the clip in again, so just get the video again. So you want to have 2 of the videos. So press the plus, get your video. So now we've got 2 of our videos. So what you want to do is with the second video, that's the one that you need to change. So what you want to do is you want to press transform, and then you want to mirror it, and then you want to press, and then you want to go back and then go on to reverse. So it's gonna have to reverse. So once you've done that, you want to kind of clean it up a bit. So because at the moment you can see the transition. So just clean that. So just trim it. So once you've kind of trimmed it so it's as smooth as possible, just try and get it as smooth as possible. It's not always going to be smooth. This isn't actually that smooth, but it's because I didn't really do many tries on it. So now what you want to do is you want to save it, and then save it to how much you want to do. I will do 4K, and then save to camera roll. Okay. Okay, so once you've saved it, now you want to go onto iMovie. So just go on to create new movie, and then press the plus, go onto your videos, and then go onto your videos, and then just find the video you have saved. There we are, that's the one that we had. And then you just want to like, with your 2 fingers, go like that, and it will flip it. So when we go onto TikTok, we can adjust it, and then go onto, and then just go onto the sound. So you want to get the sound. that's the sound. And then just adjust like the beat drop to where the thing is. Mine's a bit short, so. Once you've like put the music on for the beat drop, now you want to just save the video and save it as 4K because you want the best quality. Okay, so now it's saved to your library. Go on to TikTok. Okay, once you've saved to your library, now go on to TikTok and go onto the plus sign and then find your video in your camera roll. Okay, so that's the video. Now what you want to do is press the little thing on the bottom right hand side, which is this flipping thing, and it will flip your thing upwards. And then now you want to go on to next. Okay, so because my thing wasn't smooth, if yours isn't smooth and you want to like create a smoother transition, go on to the little timer button and go on to trans for the transitions, and I think I'm gonna put hot vertical, so just put the transition. Okay, so that will kind of like create a better transition, or you could do horizontal, or yeah, so that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. We're really close to 10,000 subscribers. Make sure you follow all my social medias, they're right here, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.